Welcome to 2025 PACMAS Annual Award. It's an honor to be here with all of you tonight as we celebrate the achievements of our 2024 PACMAS awardees. Today is a celebration of success and achievements ng mga financial advisors natin because they put exceptional effort, sacrifices.
It's our third PACMAS Award, and which stands for Financial Advisor at their Finest, Masters, Achievers, and Supreme. Grabe, no? It's third year na natin ginagawa to. And until now, no, patuloy ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo for all the hard work and dedication na ginawa nyo, no? Again, ay kung sinasabi, every small contribution matters. Hindi magiging branch ang pamilya kung walang contribution ng bawat isa. Hindi magiging number one si True Life UK kung wala yung contribution natin. So, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa financial advisor ng pamilya. Wala man sila ngayon dito to celebrate with us. And kayo mga nandito, kayo ang mga best of the best sa financial advisor ng ating branch. Salamat sa 2024 tapos sa hindi na natin siya mababago. And today is the celebration of your milestone, no? And for this year, no, gusto ko na kayo pa rin, or rather, mag-level up tayo as we try this 2025. Because our hashtag, our battle cry for 2025 is Fabria Try 2025. Again, kailangan namin ng tulong nyo and kailangan natin ng isa't isa to make this happen. As Fabria always says, ora et labora. Ora et labora because all things happens because of our hard work and prayer and the blessing of the Lord. I'm rooting for all of you guys. Again, thank you so much and I hope we can celebrate together for the milestone of our success. Thank you everyone.
For me, it's a celebration of gratitude. Okay? So it's a celebration for all your hard work, commitment, dedication in this business. I know for majority or most of you here, this is not your full-time job or this is not your full-time career and you're doing this as something part-time. So, I'd like to thank you on behalf of True Life for giving your time and effort to this company.
To congratulate everyone. So, palakpakan mo natin ang pangkakas.
Ang laki ng potential ng team na to. Ang laki ng potential ng team. We as leaders, kami na our goal or our objective for us is to be better partners to all agents, events, and all of you guys. Kaya magkaroon ko tayo ng support sa mga leaders po natin.
I quietly admire her because being a single mom is much more difficult than it appears. Yet she manages it so effortlessly, never showing how tough it really is. Even though I don't see her much at home because she's always busy working, I know she's doing it all for our future, for my future as her child, and to provide for my needs.
Ever since noon, kung nag-umpisa tayo, laging sinasabi sa atin, pag nitutulog ka, mag-nitutulog ka. Diba? So last time na, attend ako ng BM session, ang sinasabi din ni BM sa mga rookies, if you want to have money now, sell. If you want to have money tomorrow, recruit. And if you want to have money forever, manage. Diba? So hindi naman tayo makakapag-manage lahat kung wala tayong recruit. So every day, every year talaga, yun din talaga yung struggle ko, no? Kasi I've been recruiting for past 10 years now. No? And as a rookie, lagi sinasabi sa akin ng mga branch manager and unit manager is, build your 12 disciples. No, yun yung lagi sinasabi. But, lagi ko sinasabi kay BM na ang hirap i-build ng 12 disciples. Kasi last time, nakag-recruit ako ng 20. But I do not consider them as 12 disciples kasi not all of them are active, diba? But, syempre, no tayo, here in our business, we do recruitment as a sign of generosity, right? Because we also want to experience, no? Ma-experience din nila yung life na gusto natin, di ba? Yung life na well-balanced, well-maintained, and syempre, yung nakakatulong din sa iba. Yung purpose din talaga is to not to stop recruiting because I believe na ang purpose ko din is may pakita sa ibang tao kung ano yung purpose din nila in life. So, yun lang,
ikabubuti yung pamilya namin. Talagang nakasuporta yung ano ko na yun. Napakabait na bata. Talagang wala na akong masabi sa anak ko na yun.
Bilang isang anak si Maranel, masunurin, mabait, mapagbigay, at hindi nakakalimot sa magulang. Kahit nasasakta na siya, pinipilit niya para maging mabuti sa mga kapatid niya, sa mga gulang niya. Mas ito siya magtrabaho, lahat gagawin niya para mano niya lang yung abot ng pangarap niya para bigyan ng magandang buhay.
Everyday na makikita ko yung mga files na namimit ko, online, office, walk-in. Araw-araw din ako nare-remind na yung true life pala talaga, yung mission pala talaga natin, hindi lang nagsastop after natin makapag-close na ng sale. Kasi yung trabaho natin nagsisimula after, onwards, forever, lifetime. So, kung ano man yung mga reasons ninyo, bakit kayo naka-improve, pangawakan nyo yun. At saka, naniniwala talaga ako na kung ano yung iniisip natin na goal, yun talaga tayo in the future. What we need to do is to catch up para mangyari na siya sa present. So, ako naniniwala ko na isang araw magiging agency owner din ako, magtatapos din ako, makikilala ko nationwide, worldwide, matatravel ko yung buong mundo dahil kay bro. And masasama ko yung pamilya ko at yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. So yun na, maraming salamat po pamilya.
I mean, just looking at you, how focused you are, how determined you are in helping your clients, it's not a surprise, right? I think it's an expectation with the level of dedication that you've been putting into the work. So, I'm very happy, very proud. Kami ni Scarlett and Mia are so proud of you. We will always be here to support you. Whatever you want to do in your career, in your personal life, we will always be here for you. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Again, congratulations for this award. And I know this is only the beginning. You'll achieve more and more as long as you put your mind into it.
I would like to express my deepest gratitude to those who believed in me and supported me along this journey. Receiving the Best Rookie of the Year is truly an honor.
It would not have been possible without the encouragement and guidance of my teammates, core leaders, UMDCEL, and of course, PU and the Army. So ang laki ng kanyang part sa pagiging Rookie of the Year. So thank you so much. So when I started this journey, I had no idea what to expect. But I knew that I was surrounded by people who were dedicated, hardworking, and passionate. The learning curve was steep, but every challenge became an opportunity to grow. I've learned so much this year, and last year. Not just about my role, but about teamwork, resilience, and perseverance. I'd also like to thank my friends and family for their endless support and encouragement. Their belief in me has meant the world, and this award is just as much for you as it's for me. I am just proud to know you are Rookie of the Year.
Si Juan ay isang mapagmahal at maarugang anak. Nagsilbi siya bilang isang nurse nang ako'y may sakit. Para sa kanyang mga kapatid, hindi niya pinabayaan mula ng maliit at hanggang ngayon. Sa work naman, siya ay masipag, pinasabayang trabaho at pro-life at ang kanyang pag-aaral. Masaya ako sa narating mo, anak, at pagbanding na bigay ni pro-life. Proud ako sa iyo, anak.
I would like to thank our Father God to this award. So, giving this award for the second time around, meaningful that I achieved this success while being a part and financial advisor. So, balancing multiple responsibilities. For now, alam mo naman na I'm managing the business. At the same time, I'm doing my little AMBA, towards financial security. So, has been challenging to me na. So, but it was also a deeply rewarding career. When I entered this industry, I know that it's not selling or just to sell policy. I was here to make an impact. To help people to take control of their finances. It is about the passion, commitment, and the value you bring to the people you are served. Yun yung story behind for being a top agent and for being indirectly. Hindi ko magagawa itong achievement na ito. Inaalay ko ito lahat sa clients ko na nag-trust and nag-support sa akin. Of course, I would like to thank also my family and friends who support me. It is a reminder that no matter how easy life gets, when you love what you do and stay committed to your purpose, success will follow. To my fellow clients, financial advisors, whether you do this full-time or part-time, know that our work changes lives. Let's continue to educate, empower, and uplift the people we serve. Thank you for this incredible honor. This is an award, it's not just a milestone, but a motivation to keep going, to keep making a difference, and to show that anything is possible with passion and perseverance.
Si Lizelle, she works very hard and very devoted sa chosen field of work niya. And kasi meron siyang goal and may purpose na ma-ensure niya yung mga loved ones niya and yung mga kaibigan niya. Kasi itong chosen field niya talaga ay very inspiring and maraming natutulungang mga tao.
We are so proud of you, Mama. I hope that throughout our ups and downs, you will always be there to assure us that we are always fine.
We are so proud of how far you've come, and we are ready to be by your side on the long journey ahead of you.
Yeah, continue to be an inspiration and a blessing to others. Yung determination mo is truly admirable.
Ang goal ko lang talaga, focus ko, maging achiever ako, at lahat ng mga hinikayat ko na mag-join dito kay True Life UK, dumaan kung ano yung achievement na nakukuha ko. Naniniwala ako na si True Life UK talaga ang makakapagbabago ng buhay ko, at nabago niya talaga. Kaya, masaya din ako na i-present sa inyo that my core leaders, yung pinaka-pundasyon ng team ko, are all here. National Achievers, Marinel Guerrero, Jocelyn Operanya, Darwin Malabanan, and of course, our JUMDRT, Rafael Del Rosario. They are the reason why kung bakit po ako nandito sa harapan ninyo ngayon at pinukuha o tinatanggap ang award na ito. Kasi hindi to akin lang. Naging bronze ako, sabi ko, hindi ako titigil. Kailangan, sabi ni Glenn Farag, gold, level up. So pinilit talaga namin mag-level up. From bronze before, nag-silver po ako ngayon. So syempre, alam natin natin, silver next year, dapat hindi lang tayo silver. Dapat mas ulit. Yes.